So, how we will calculate the speed? Speed is equal to distance traveled by time taken. Any vehicle is there or anyone which is moving, how much distance is traveled by them and how much time it takes to complete that distance or cover up that distance. That is speed. So speed is equal to distance by time. 3 units are there to measure the speed. First is meter per second, kilometer per hour, and third centimeter per second. We have to convert one unit to another. So conversion from one unit to another, you know very well, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. By putting that, we will convert from kilometer to meter or from kilometer to centimeter, from meter to centimeter. And for time, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. And in 1 minute there is 60 seconds. So 1 hour is equal to 60 into 60, that is 3600 seconds. So if you have to convert from hour to minute, then multiply by 60, or if you have to convert 1 hour to second, then multiply it by 3600. Two examples are given in your book. First example is to find out the speed when the distance covered by is 90 kilometer and time taken is 6 hours. So speed is distance by time. Put the value in this formula, and that is 90 by 6. Cut it. It will be 15 kilometer per hour. So by this we can find out the speed. You have to put the value in the formula and then find it. Second example is 540 kilometer per hour into meter per second. For this, first we have to convert 1 kilometer per hour into meter per second. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter and 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So it will be 5 by 18 meter per second. And in 1 meter per second there is 18 by 5 kilometer per hour, just opposite to it. So what we will do here? Simply multiply this 540 by 5 by 18, because we have to convert kilometer per hour into meter per second. So 540 is multiplied by 5 by 18 and it is equal to 150 meter per second. In this way, we will find out many more numericals by putting the value in the formula, which you now know very well. Speed is equal to distance by time. Sometime you have to find distance. In that case, it is speed into time. And sometime you have to find time. In that case, it is distance by speed. So these three formula, that is speed is equal to distance by time, distance is equal to speed into time, and time is equal to distance by speed. We can find out all the numericals.